This video discusses the basic human anatomy for beginners. It is the basic regional anatomy of human body. Division of human body. Human body is divided into three main anatomical parts: head and neck, trunk, extremities. It includes both upper and lower limbs. Head and neck. It includes upper appendage of human body. That is, head and neck, trunk. It is the main part of human body, to which all the appendages are attached. That is, head and neck from above, and all four limbs quadrilaterally. Trunk is divided into three main parts. Upper part is thorax, middle part is abdomen, lower part is pelvis. Extremities. It includes all four appendages, that is, both upper limbs and both lower limbs. In case of upper limbs, each upper limb has three parts. Arm. It lies between shoulder and elbow. Forearm. Between elbow and wrist. Hand. Lies distal to the wrist. Lower limbs. Each lower limb has three parts. Thigh. It lies between hip and knee. Leg. Between knee and ankle. Foot. Lies distal to the ankle.